Banya. Ka Kynhun ki Myntri ka Sorkar Jilla ka Blay Kendo Hanin ka Skhim. Kalaray ban Thaw ka Skhim Hapoh ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act Mrssa ban penla ki District Task Force ban yo ka pisa na ka Sorkar Jilla ban penbiang ki jingdon kam jongki. Ka Myntri ka Sorkar Jilla ikong amprin lingdo ilaong bada kani ka Skhim ki District Task Force kin yo ka jing penbiang mang tingka kabam duna ka arlak tingka Knang bagajing buat din ya katikaan on yo sedang kam kloy. Ya kani kapisa on pendon kam bantiet ya ki laptop, ki computer bat ki tiar internet. Kentup ya kabay syong baisa, bat kabay let by one nakabenta ki bawan yarap, ki bom day ki nong tray jong ki district.
A scheme had to be instituted by the government, wherein we will make the entire Mrssa procedure functional. So this scheme entails the provision under finance for DCs to avail budgetary allocations so that work and monitoring of the Mrssa begins at the earliest. So that was done. And it was decided that we will have a revolving fund of a minimum of 2 lakhs per district. In districts where there would be a requirement for a bigger budget because of bigger numbers of authorities like the darbars and others who are anyways entailed to help with the monitoring of visitors.